Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm just going to be mixing this slime I made in the last video with Elin. So I am home now, and yeah, I'm just gonna start mixing it. Okay, so we made this out of a purple watery Fix-It slime. I had red and yellow clay in it. So I was hoping it would turn like an orange color, but I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Okay. Okay. So here's the slime. It's a really nice buttery slime. I like it a lot. It wasn't orange, but a weird orange. Okay guys, so I know this video was short, but I mainly just wanted to show you guys the slime it mixed. So here it is. Also, that is going to wrap up today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like button, and bell button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And also, don't forget to watch our latest video to see how I made this slime. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.